Question number 11, paper 1, variant 2, June 2015. The diagram shows the line y is equal to 2x plus 1. This line is y is equal to 2x plus 1. The point P has coordinate a, b. The point P, where a and b are both positive integer, the value of a and b satisfies the inequality. A is less than 2, b is less than 7, and b is less than 2a plus 1. Write down all the possible coordinates of P. So actually a is x, it is x, and it is y. So basically it is less than 2, so a is here. So the line must be, there must be a line, and this line is basically represent a is equal to 2, and the region is defined less than 2. So we must shade the region less than the value of a. This region must be shaded, or the possible range of possible value we can find in this region. We will find the range because a is less than 2 and a is basically x, and b is the y and it is less than 7. So we must draw a line over the line b is equal to 7. So it is y is equal to 7 and the region is less than. So we must have to shade all of this area. So it is not included because it is more than the value of a, and a is equal to 2. So we just shade this region inside this. This is our region is satisfying this two inequality. A is less than 2 and b is less than 7. And finally the line b is greater than 2a plus 1. So the region, this is the line of 2x plus 1, and the region is above this line because it is greater than. So all of this region is satisfying these three inequalities, and the p must be lying here. So we see which point could be here. The p could be, we have defined that the region is below the 7, above this line, and less than a. So this must be the coordinate. It is 1 and 4, and it must be the inside the region, and it is 1 and 5, and it must be 1 and 6, and inequality. The first one is less than 7, above this line, and the more than this line. This line is a is less than 2. So this one, and these 3 points satisfying the 3 inequalities. Above this line, less than a, and below this line. So we can write the coordinate 1 6, the 1 5, and 1 4. So these 3 coordinate may be the point P. What is the question? Still there is any problem, you may write in comment. I will reply you inshallah.